Welcome to our video tutorial on Office 365 tenant-to-tenant migration. In today's digital landscape, businesses often face the challenge of consolidating or restructuring their Office 365 environments. Imagine a scenario where a company merges with another or rebrands, necessitating the seamless transfer of data, settings, and user accounts between different Office 365 tenants. Meet John, the IT administrator tasked with this critical migration. John explores using PowerShell commands and manual scripts to execute the migration, facing challenges like complex syntax, potential errors, data security concerns, and the need for extensive testing. This manual approach not only consumes valuable time but also increases the risk of data loss or disruption to business operations. Enter EdbMails Office 365 Migration Tool. Designed to simplify and automate tenant-to-tenant migrations, EdbMails offers a comprehensive solution to streamline the process. With features like automated data mapping, concurrent migration handling, and built-in error handling, EdbMails empowers administrators like John to execute migrations efficiently and securely, ensuring zero downtime. Worried about missing emails after migration? Not with EdbMails. Our tool supports incremental migration, ensuring that only new or modified data is migrated during subsequent runs. This feature prevents data loss and allows you to remigrate as many times as needed, guaranteeing a complete and accurate transfer of data.
Let's walk through the tenant-to-tenant migration steps using EdbMails.
Download EdbMails from the official website.
Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File.
Complete the installation process on your system.
Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select Office 365 Migration. Select Office 365 to Office 365 Migration. Keep the default job name or click New Job to change. Click Next to continue. Click Add New Connection to connect to the source Office 365. Select the required migration operation. Click Next to continue. Select one of the authentication method. Click Login to continue. Authenticate on Microsoft Sign-in page with Global Admin account. Click Sign In. Accept the required permissions. Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Click Next to continue. Select the mailboxes you want to migrate from the source Office 365 server. Click Next to continue. Click Add New Connection to connect to the target Office 365. Select the required migration operation. Click Next to continue. Select one of the authentication method. Click Login to continue. Authenticate on Microsoft Sign-in page with Global Admin account. Click Sign In. Accept the required permissions. Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Click Next to continue. Select the required mapping option. Click Continue. EdbMails automatically maps mailboxes between the source and the target servers. Click Start Migration. Migration operation under progress. After migration completion, you will receive the migration completion message. Click View Logs button to view the migration report. That's it. For a hassle-free Office 365 tenant-to-tenant migration, visit edbmails.com today.